upgraded roof pitch, custom residential door, two-tone wainscot, a project just under 25K. Well, stick around and we'll show you this amazing project. Hey Pack, welcome back. It's Eric, and once again, I'm out here in the state of Texas, showcasing amazing buildings. Today we are in Aledo, Texas, which little giveaway alert. If you can comment down below on the actor that was born here in Aledo, I'll throw away some free merch. I'll give away some free merch. I'll give you guys a little clue, something to do with tornadoes. But anyways, we're here. We're gonna show you this 26 by 40 detached metal garage. It is a tubular building, a lot of cool features. I'll break down the price at the end. Again, we do have a two-tone wainscot, upgraded roof pitch, custom residential overhead door, and so stick around for this hybrid walkthrough with pricing at the end. Again, Pack, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button to stay updated on all your metal build needs, and let's get this tour going. Alrighty, Pack. Again, we are in Aledo, Texas. WolfSteel Buildings only serves the state of Texas, but let's get these dimensions out of the way. We do have a 26 wide, 40 long, 10 foot on leg height with an upgraded 412 pitch. Again, Pack, our standard pitch is 312. Our client decided to upgrade that to a 412. My personal opinion, it looks a lot more better, gives it a little more peak, a little more steepness to it. We do have an 8-frame roof style. Hopefully on screen you're watching all the cool drone shots. There is a lot of trees in the way, so it was a little bit difficult to fly the drone, but we got it done. We do have horizontal panels on all sides. Client did go with Quaker Gray on the walls, black on the trim, black roof, and the black two-tone. Now let's take a look at the wainscot here for a second, Pack. Let me show you guys on how the client saved money by going with the horizontal panels and how the panels just overlap, creating the two-tone effect. Now, if he had gone with the vertical size, we would have a transition trim right about here. Here you can just clearly see that it's just two panels that overlap. There is no transition trim in the way, which it is a more on the cost-effective side. But we do have black trim. Check that out. Look how cool it looks on this 16 by 8 overhead residential door. This looks awesome. I really like it. The color on this overhead door is black. We do have the black weather strip, which it looks very cool, very sleek. You can barely see that it's there. It goes all around the building. We are looking at a 16 wide, 8 foot tall, raised panel design with openers. Now, but staying on subject with the doors, I do like to mention that we do have a lot of versatile designs with colors. You can always choose your design on your overhead door. Hopefully on screen you're seeing all the different ones that we have done recently. Check them out. Just don't settle for just one. We do have a lot of options that you can choose from. Something very important that that you should talk with your sales member. Yeah, so the color combo did match the client's home. Also, that we wanted to match, we did do the concrete here. We did do the pea gravel surface design. He did have an existing driveway and we made it match. We did do the foundation here. It is a 4-inch slab. It is a 26 by 40, and we do have our 12 by 12 perimeter footers and one 12 by 12 internal beam. But let's go check out the inside of the building. We do have a lot of puppies here. He does have a 36 by 84 steel insulated door. These are very durable and perfect for your exterior use. But let's walk in. Let's see what's in here. It's not a WolfSteel tour if we don't knock on the door, right? Oh, look at all the natural light, pack. All the doors are closed. The 36 by 84 is closed. He also does have one in the back, and the 16 by 8 is closed. So this is all the natural light you can get in a 26 by 40 tubular building. We're looking at roughly 26 by 40, roughly about 1,040 of square footage. But look at all that natural light. That is amazing. We are looking at 6 36 by 36 double pane windows, which they look amazing. But yes, this is a 16 by 8. We do have our standard track. It does come with openers, like I said in the beginning of the video. The client will not be insulating his building. But let's check out this notch detail. Again, we did do the concrete here. That just looks amazing. What the notch detail is, it prevents from water to seep in your building. It'll prevent it. Very effective. All right, Pack, as promised, I will break down the pricing for you. Again, we are only doing the building side of it, even though we did do the concrete here. So for the building alone, which includes the horizontal panels, the panels on the roof, which they are vertical, we do have an upgraded roof pitch, which is a 412. Building alone, we're looking at a price of, you'll see that on screen. And then we'll add the accessories, which are all the windows. In total, we do have 6 36 by 36 double pane windows. Also, we do have 2 steel insulated doors, which are 36 by 84. And then we do have a custom 16 by 8 not insulated door with openers. And the accessories are this much. So we'll add our building costs and our accessories, and we should have a total project cost of building alone. Remember, Pack, this price is valid for 5 days after the post date of the video. Again, this is just under 25K. Hopefully at home you're visualizing, or you're giving yourself an idea of what you can get for under 25K out here in Texas. So if you're looking for a building or a project just like this project was sold by my good friend Ernesto from the Apex Wolf. His information will be on screen. Again, his name is Ernesto. Also, we just released 3-part series videos on financing your building. Check those out. They're very valuable with a lot of good information regarding financing a metal building. Hopefully we can guide you on your right direction if you're thinking about pulling that trigger and obtaining one of these bad boys. Again, Pack, I hope you like this hybrid walkthrough with pricing. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button to stay updated on all your metal building needs. And don't forget about that giveaway. First one to comment on the famous actor that is from Aledo, Texas. Please leave it down below. And thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.